Dear brothers and sisters, tonight you are celebrating your national day here in Kuwait. But I assure you, Turkish people and Turkish government and Turkey also celebrating your national day together with you. For Somalia, I wish no more isolation, no more suffering, no more tragedy. Inshallah, in the very near future we will see bright, prosper, stable and peaceful Somalia. I am very grateful to you, very happy tonight. Turkish people, Turkish brothers and sisters are your brothers and sisters. I wish you all the best for the Somali and Somali people. Thank you very much.